Again, we're looking at optimization problems, and the goal is always find the best shape given certain conditions. In fencing problems, we want the largest possible area with the smallest perimeter. Now, for this example, we're going to be given an area to find the smallest perimeter. The Dundas Driving Park decided to build an outdoor public pool. The contractor needed to fence an area that is 36 meters squared using the least amount of fencing. What dimension should he use to minimize the perimeter? In other words, you want the smallest perimeter. Area, the formula for area is length times width. So if you're given the length and you have to find the width, or you're given the area, you have the width. To find the length, you divide the area by the width. So 36 divided by 1 gives me 36. 36 divided by 2 gives me 18. 36 divided by 3 gives me 12. 36 divided by 4 gives me 9. Now, as I said, that part's my rough work. I just wrote it on the sheet just to show you how we end up getting the numbers. And usually I would just do this on my calculator and just write in the numbers. So 36 divided by 5 gives me 7.2. So I'm just going to continue 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 36 divided by 6 gives me 6. And this is 36 right throat. 36 divided by 7 gives me 5.1. I'm just rounding to one decimal place. 36 divided by 8 gives me 4.5. 36 divided by 9 gives me 4. And 36 divided by 10 gives me 3.6. So now that I have all my lengths, I'm going to work out my perimeter. The perimeter is 2W plus 2L, or 2L plus 2W. So 2 times 1 plus 2 times 36. That gives me 74. 2 times 2 plus 2 times 18 gives me 80. 2 times 3 plus 2 times 12 gives me 30. 2 times 4 plus 2 times 9 gives me 26. 2 times 5 plus 2 times 7.2 gives me 24.4. 2 times 6 plus 2 times 6 gives me 24. 2 times 7 plus 2 times 5.1 gives me 24.2. 2 times 8 plus 2 times 4.5 gives me 25. 2 times 9 plus 2 times 4 gives me 26. 2 times 10 plus 2 times 3.6 gives me 27.2. And again, I'm looking for my smallest possible perimeter. So let me just erase my rough work. So since I'm looking for my smallest perimeter, .24 here is my smallest perimeter. And that means 6 meters by 6 meters. So 6 meter width, 6 meter length gives me my smallest perimeter for the area of 36. So the dimensions of my pool should be 6 meters by 6 meters to minimize the perimeter when the area is 36. And this again is a square shape. Now, how do we check if our answer was right? Or in a multiple choice question, if your area is given and the side length is what you want, you find the square root because you have a square shape. And let's quickly review. If the perimeter is given and you want to find the length equal to the width, that's going to be 32 divided by 4. And your unit would be meters. If you get the area, you find the square root of the area if that's all you get. If you're not asked to go through and do the experiment, if you're just doing a multiple choice question, this is what you would do.